So ladies and gentlemen, following my last video where you saw that we turned the fish upside down and gave it in the microwave for another 4 minutes. In my case, since I am using very light sea bass or basa fillets, I didn't even need to give it for 4 whole entire minutes. For me, only 2.5 minutes was enough. But I want to stress, depending on various appliances, you might have to give it for a longer time. It might be 10 plus 10, 20 minutes or 7 plus 7, 14 minutes. So as you can see, the fish is cooked here. Now I'm just transferring it to any container. You can pour some of the oil from above. And there you go. Your mustard fish is ready. It has a light yellowish tinge and a whitish color. It can be done with most of the boneless fishes. Thank you. If you have any questions, we are going to follow that up.